Is any face cream you are using right now and it is causing you sunburn? It used to make you fair before and now you are now dark. Please stop using those face creams. A lot of things labeled as face creams in the market, they are not meant to be used as face creams. Those things are for treatment. After using it for treatment, please discard it. I cannot believe that after all the face routines and face products I recommend on this channel, people are still using some kind of product that is damaging their skin. Like, I'm not impressed. I've gotten a lot of comments this season, people saying they use this cream, they use that cream, it's causing them sunburn. And the creams they say they're using, I never mention it on my channel. Please, if you are new on my channel, I would highly suggest you go through my channel and see the face cream I recommend, see the face routines I have shot for this channel that is going to help to brighten your skin, to give you a fair skin, to give you a fair face, a smooth face, naturally, safely, without a products that are going to damage your face. Do you get? Today I'm also going to be giving you a list of face creams that are going to help to repair that face. Now, if you're having sunburn and you're watching this video, if your skin is dry, if you're experiencing dryness and all of those things, your skin is irritated, you have sensitive skin, this particular video is for you. All of you know yourself. Asking me in the comment section, please stop using it. Stop using it. It is not good. Okay, if you are scared that if you stop using it, it is going to, your face is going to darken. Is it not better that your face darken now, but you repair your face and then over time your face is going to repair and your face is going to brighten? Check my face routines, follow the routines there, and you are going to have a bright face without using a product that is going to damage your skin. And I make my face routines very, very, like, I use cheap products that anybody can afford. So when it comes to face creams you're supposed to use in the morning, your face cream is supposed to, one, hydrate your skin, moisturize your skin, and protect your skin. And that is why in today's video, I'm going to be giving you a list of face creams that has SPF in them. So even if you are someone that cannot afford a face cream and an SPF, you are going to have two of them in one, and it is affordable. These face creams are also meant for sensitive skin, and all of them are for all skin types. So whether you have oily skin, dry skin, or normal skin, you can use any of these face creams. And these face creams are also going to help you with aging skin. I'm going to tell you the one in particular that is meant for aging skin. One of them also can help you to brighten your skin. So I'm just giving you a brief of what this whole video is all about today. So please watch this video to the end, because at the end of the video I'm going to be giving you tips on how to use this product. I don't know, just watch to the end. You are going to get value for your time. Okay, so you stop using products that are going to be damaging your skin. If you have any questions or concerns, or you want to tell me about the products you are using, let me know in the comment section. Let me know the products you are using right now, so I know which ones to prescribe for you, the soap to use with them, and all of those things. So let's have a conversation in the comment section. So the first on our list today is the CeraVe AM Facial Moisturizer with SPF 30. Now this one contains hyaluronic acid, it contains niacinamide, and it contains ceramide. Now, hyaluronic acid helps to retain moisture on your face. Okay. Secondly, niacinamide helps to calm your skin. Okay, that is why this one, now, if you have sunburn on your face, this particular one is good for you because it contains niacinamide. Niacinamide helps to calm troubled skin, it helps to calm redness, it helps to calm sunburn. Also with hyaluronic acid also works to retain moisture on your skin, because the sun has burnt your skin, so your skin needs a lot of moisture, a lot of hydration. So that's what hyaluronic acid does for you. It helps to retain moisture on your skin and prevents your skin from drying out and prevents further sunburn on your skin. The next thing it contains is ceramide. What ceramide does for your skin is to help to build your skin barrier, because if you have used any bad face cream before, your skin barrier has been tampered with, it has been broken, and it needs to be repaired. That's what ceramide does for you. So the ceramide in this particular facial moisturizer is going to help to heal your skin barrier. Okay, and it also contains SPF 30, which is protection. Now the second one on our list is the Cetaphil Daily AM Moisturizer. This one contains SPF 35. This particular one contains a special flower extract that helps to nourish your skin and repair your skin barrier, and nourish your skin, moisturize your skin. So even if you are having you don't have sunburn, but you are experiencing excess dryness on your skin, this particular Cetaphil is going to help you. It's going to like soften your face and all of those things. So the third on my list is from the same brand, CeraVe Facial AM Moisturizer. This one also contains niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, and 3 ceramides. Now the difference between this one and the first one I told you about is that this one contains SPF 50. The first one contains SPF 30. Now the fourth one is for people that have excessive dry skin. You need something that is matte, something that will not make you to sweat, okay, and all of those things. So this one is for you, and that is the CeraVe lightweight moisturizing facial moisturizer with SPF 30. It also contains hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and ceramides. Okay, the difference between this one and the other two is that this one is specifically for oily skin. The other two is for all skin types. But if your oily skin is so much like, yes, then you should get this one because it gives a matte finish. Now, this fourth one is specifically for people above 40. You have hit 40, 45, 50 and above. I'm going to specially recommend this one for you. And that is the Olay Complete Plus face moisturizer with SPF 40. Now this one is specially formulated for aging skin. Okay, it's going to help to hydrate your skin, moisturize your skin, soften your skin, help you with fine lines and wrinkles. This one is actually very, very good for aging skin, and any other age range can use it. But if you've hit that 40, 50, 60 range, I would specially suggest that you get this one because it, aside from repairing your skin and protecting your skin from the sun, it goes ahead of that to soften your skin and also to help you with fine lines and wrinkles. Now the last one also is from Olay, but that is the Olay Vitamin C Hydrating Moisturizer with SPF 30. Now this one is going to hydrate your skin, moisturize your skin because it contains, and this one is also going to help to brighten your skin. So if you are watching this video and you need brightening, you need something brightening, but a warning please, if you have sunburn, don't buy this one because when you are treating sunburn, you should stay away from anything that has to do with acid, okay, because vitamin C, depending on where it's derived, has some sort of acid in it. So stay away from anything vitamin C if you are treating sunburn. But if your own is your face is dark and your face is feeling dry, or your skin, your face is aging and all of those things, it's not giving plump, then you can go for this particular one. It is not going to irritate your face. Olay is a top brand made for sensitive skin. None of these creams here are going to irritate your skin. Every cream, every face moisturizer I've talked to you about today, one, they are meant for sensitive skin, they are meant for irritated skin. A lot of them are fragrance free, they are paraben free, they are non-greasy, and they do not leave white casts. So no matter your skin complexion, no matter your skin type, every of these face creams here, you can use them. So those are the list of face creams that I am suggesting to you to use if you have tampered with your skin, you are having sunburn and all of those things. Pick any of those lotions and get them. Now the tips, how do you use these things to actually get results? Tip number one is quantity. Now remember that all faces differ. Every lotion I have given you here contains SPF, which means that it contains sunscreen in it. Now, when you are using this particular lotion, whether you have dry skin or oily skin or normal skin, start using them in little quantity. Okay, see, leave all those influencers you see that will drop cream all over their face. Those things are just content creating. That is not how to apply a lotion. You apply your lotion in pea size. Take a little lotion, apply it on your face, and one, it is not going to clog your pores. Because a product says that it is not going to clog your pores does not mean that you should carry all the cream and pour on your face. Start using these products in little quantity, in pea size. Okay, and secondly, the next tip is, if you know you are going to stay out long in the sun, now because you use any of these face creams and it contains SPF, does not mean that you go and sun dry yourself in the sun and stay for like 5 hours under the sun. If you know you are going to stay that long under the sun, make sure to reapply. All these lotions are meant to be reapplied if you are getting into the sun, or you are into the sun take a space, look for somewhere, take your hanky, or unless you are with makeup. If you're on makeup, that's different. But if you are not on makeup, please reapply these lotions, especially if you are treating your face. Okay, if you are treating your face, do well to reapply this lotion every 2 to 3 hours. Now, this lotion also stands as your SPF, so it is the last thing you are supposed to be using before your makeup. So if you have your facial serums, you have your facial toners and all of those things, use them. Make sure they absorb into your skin. Okay, learn how to, I have a video on how to layer face product. It's on the channel, check it out. So when you apply your product, allow whichever one you put to absorb into your skin. Let this face cream be the last thing on your face before you apply your makeup and head out to the sun. So these are the tips to use this product to get results. These are not the products that have time and season and have, don't use it here and there. These are safe products that you can even find in the pharmacy. Anywhere you are, go to any drugstore, go to any good cosmetic shop, you are going to find this thing. It is available online, on Amazon, on eBay, any good online store. You are going to get any of these face creams here. So get it, use it, and treat your skin. Okay, so for my African ladies, in case you have been using lightening creams on your face and you are scared that if you use this one it might darken your face, then I would advise you to go through my channel, because I have explained all of those things, how to brighten your face safely without using any harsh products and all of those things. I'll be making more videos for my new subscribers, but yeah, we'll be wrapping up this one today. Thank you for watching. Leave your comments in the comment section. Remember to like and subscribe if you have not. I'm going to see you on our next one.